Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Grumpy Duck by Joyce Dunbar, illustrated by Petr Horacek. Please enjoy. Grumpy Duck. Duck was feeling grumpy. The pond was dry, so she couldn't paddle in it. She had no one to play with. A little gray cloud appeared over her head. She waddled over the dog, who was digging a hole. "I've got no one to play with," she said to dog. "Can you play with me?" said dog. "If you like digging holes." "I don't," grumped Duck. "Digging holes would make my feathers dirty." "Oh, huh," dog sighed. The little gray cloud got bigger. Pig was rolling in the mud. "I've got no one to play with," Duck said to Pig. "Come and play with me," said Pig, "in my gloopy puddle." "No thanks," grumped Duck. "Ducks like water, not gloop." "Oink! Honk! Pig!" The little gray cloud got even bigger. Rooster was cock-a-doodle-doo. "I've got no one to play with," said Duck. "You could play with me if you like," said Rooster. "We can sing a cock-a-doodle chorus." "I just don't do cock-a-doodling," grumped Duck. "Squawk," said Rooster. The gray cloud got bigger still. Rabbit was hopping around. "I've got no one to play with," said Duck. "Come and hop with me," said Rabbit. "We can see who can hop the highest." "You can, silly," grumped Duck. "I'm not silly," said Rabbit. The little gray cloud wasn't little anymore. It was big. Tortoise was dozing in his shell. "I've got no one to play with," said Duck, tapping his shell with her beak. "You can doze with me," said Tortoise. "It's very pleasant." "Boring little more like," grumped Duck. "Tut, tut," tutted Tortoise. Now the gray cloud was huge. "Cheer up, Duck," said Goat, who was busy eating the washing on the line. "I've got no one to play with," said Duck. "Share a snack with me," said Goat. "Here's a tasty t-shirt." "Ducks don't eat clothes," grumped Duck. "And neither should goats. You'll get a stomach ache." "Oh, I will," grumped Goat. Now the gray clouds was ginormous. It was a great cloud, gray blob hanging low overhead. So now all the animals were grumpy. Then something strange began to happen. The great gray cloud turned blue and purple and yellow until it was black. Sitting underneath the ginormous black cloud were a dog who helped stop wagging its tail, a pig whose ears were droopy, a rooster who was no longer cock-a-doodle-dooing, a rabbit who lost its hop, a tortoise who decided to stay in his shell forever and ever, a goat who strode at the big black cloud, and a duck who was still grumpy. With sorts of clouds, what a sort of cloud it was it a gloom cloud or a mood cloud? Could it be? Was it a grumpy duck cloud? Would it blot out the sun forever? Could it burst? Yes. Suddenly there were splat, plop, plink, platter, plat, dribble. Millions of big, shiny, wet, splashy raindrops. Duck spread her wings wide open. She splished and splashed and splashed. Duck wasn't grumpy anymore. I'm waddling in the rain. Quack, quack, she sang. Woof, woof, oink, oink, black, cock-a-doodle-doo, hip, hop, quack, quack, splurt, splurt. One by one, they all joined in. I'm hopping in the rain, oink, oink. I'm barking in the rain, woof, woof. I'm cock-a-doodle-doodling in the rain. I'm hopping so high, hop, hop. I'm drinking up the rain, slurp, slurp. There was what a glorious feeling, blatted goat. We're happy again, just waddling and paddling by the pond. They all sing in chorus. And where was the big black cloud? Gone. In its place was a bright, shining rainbow. The end. Wow. That cloud was for all of them, huh? Can't believe it. But they all got happy after having some rain, and that duck was happy that his pond got rain again, so he could be in the water. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel, and check out my other readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.